New inventory just landed. 2021 Toyota Sienna XLE Plus, Braunability, side entry, power, fold out, XT, handicap wheelchair conversion. This is a hybrid 2021 Toyota Sienna XLE. Fully loaded sunroof, navigation, dual power doors, kneel down system. This is the extra tall. This is the biggest Sienna you can get. Braunability conversion. 21,000 miles. Actually a little less than 21,000 miles. This was a Braunability demo vehicle. This was used by the company. Van is very nice. Just like a brand new van, it's got brand new tires, 2 keys, Q-string tie down system. Again, this is a 2021 Toyota Sienna hybrid XLE, fully loaded sunroof, nav, all the apps, brand new tires. Got the blackout package with black wheels, super sharp. Nobody has one like this. Got these beautiful black wheels, gloss. Brand new tires, nice gray metallic paint. It's an XT kneel down system. We are a Braunability certified dealer and service center. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. We're happy to help at any time. Ask for Jeff or Ken. About to go on 48 years in business. Boca Raton, Florida. SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Gorgeous. Got your rear AC controls here. These Toyota Siennas are the best. We sell the most of these out of any van, new and used. Got all your controls, fully loaded, all the apps, hybrid system. Everything is working perfectly. This is a 20,587 miles. Van's gorgeous all the way around. As you can see, the flooring, seating, all the panels are in perfect shape. A lot of these vans you get scratches on the panels. No panel scratches anywhere. All the equipment is functioning and operating the way it's supposed to. Clean title all the way. Clean Carfax. No issues whatsoever. It is fully loaded. Navigation, sunroof, backup camera, power lift gate, power side doors, fully loaded with the burl wood grain, blackout package. Super nice. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. Does come with your Q-string tie downs for the floor. If you need any seat belts or anything, we can get those for you. If you need any hand controls, transfer seats, we install all the adaptive controls, transfer seats, Q locks, easy locks. Any system that you want to have installed, we can install it for you as long as you're present. And we can take measurements for you. Hand controls, again, any type of hand control, we do the installations. We are a certified dealer for all the adaptive controls, lockdown, seating options. You just let us know. These are quick release seats here in the front. Again, we're happy to help at any time. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Demonstrate anything for you. 2 keys, all the manuals, everything comes with this van. It's just like a brand new van. You can save a ton of money with this one. We will price it to sell. Give us a call or send us a text at 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Happy to help at any time. We're in Boca Raton, Florida. Supreme Motors and Mobility. 48 years in business. SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Find us on all the platforms: YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Give us a like, give us a follow. Show you how this wheelchair ramp works. I'm just going to push the button here. There's several buttons you can use. can also use the key fobs. I have the vehicle running, so the key fobs are in the vehicle. Everything works and functions the way it's supposed to. Again, we service and go through every single van that we have in stock before we sell them. They're ready to go. Extended warranties are available. Any hand controls, seating options, you just let us know. We're happy to help at any time. We have financing and we accept any type of trade-in. Worldwide we can ship. So let us know how we can help. Thank you.